All right, so this video is to look at a few additional single sound steps. We learned 3 of them in class. The first one is called a pickup. Now, a pickup is literally a backwards brush, but with your heel touching the ground. And I'm going to do it sideways. So your heel stays on the ground. It's not an extra sound. You're going to do your backwards brush. So what you're doing is you're adding a scraping quality to the sound. So instead of just a clear tap, you're adding a bit of a scrape to it. Okay, and that's a pickup. So you'll notice there are times, if you go and look at the videos for the routine, where you can do a backwards brush or you can do a pickup. And when you start to go faster, the pickup becomes the easier step to do because it requires less balancing. Step number 2 and step number 3 are related. It's a stomp and a chug. We're going to do the chug first because it's the easier one. A chug is a variation of a heel tap, and it's actually a moving heel tap. So for the chug, we'll do 2 feet. Chug is always on 2 feet. You'll lift your heels up, and when you hit them back down to the ground, you're sliding forward. You're not jumping. So my toes actually never leave the ground. I'm just sliding forward and then slapping the heels down. That's a chug. And our last extra single sound step is a stomp, which is literally a chug on 1 foot. And again, sideways so you can see the motion. You're on 1 foot, heel comes up, slide forward. And that's your stomp.